Hey, this is Heather Goff from goffgraphics.com, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to compose content for the text widgets on your blog without having to know HTML or be a website programmer. Now, what is a widget? A widget is what controls the content in the sidebars of your blog. My blog has a left sidebar and a right sidebar. Some blogs have the sidebars side by side or only one, but in any case, it's the side content on your blog, and the widgets are, for example, like a category widget, which show all of the categories in your blog, recent posts widget, and the text widget is the most powerful and the most frustrating widget of all because you can put anything in it at all. So you can put an embed code, for example, that FeedBurner might give you to create a subscribe form. You can put Google ad code in it, but sometimes you want to put your content in it. You might want to put in an image to promote a book that you're selling. You might want to put in a picture of yourself, and it's tricky to figure out how to do this because let's go over. Hold on. Let me go over to my widget area. The widget area is found under Appearance Widgets in your WordPress blog menu on the left. And if I look at this text widget, go to edit, you'll see it's just a blank box. Now, a way to compose for your blank box is actually to use the interface that you would use if you were creating a blog post. So I have another shot here. I've gone in and I've clicked on Add New Post, and I'm not going to publish this post. I'm just using this post as a draft sketchbook for composing the content of my text widget, because I can use the wysiwyg editor, the what you see is what you get editor, to upload images and create links without having to know how to write the HTML code. So let me upload an image. Let me select the file from my desktop. Let me see, I have one here. I'm going to put and I'm going to insert it into the post. There it is. I have now a picture of myself. If I wanted this picture to link to something, I would click on it and click the hyperlink icon. And I'm going to write underneath it. So I can put and compose text to go underneath it. I don't have a little biography prepared for this tutorial, so I'm just going to write my name. Now, once I'm done composing the content for my blog, for the text widget, I'm going to go over and I'm going to look at the HTML that's been generated. This is the HTML code that has been generated by the wysiwyg editor, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to my widgets and I'm going to paste it inside my text widget, and I'm going to hit save. So now if I go back to my blog and I refresh, I now have my picture with my name under it. And now you need to keep in mind that your sidebars are not very big, so I'm going to go back in and make this a little bit smaller because it's a little bit too big for my sidebar. So if you are uploading images for your text widgets, you'll want to make sure that are too large for the width of your sidebar. So I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller, and I'm going to go, let me see, I'm not going to have it linked to anything. I'm going to go back and grab the HTML again. I'm going to go back to my text widget and I'm going to paste it in, and I'm going to save the widget. And then if I go back to my blog and I refresh, it should be a better size. There we go. So that's how you can use a draft blog post as a sketchbook for composing content to go into your text widgets. So there's no more need to be frustrated looking at the blank square of the text widget thinking, how on earth am I going to get an image or, the picture of my ebook or whatever into this space onto my sidebar. It's actually quite simple.